Good morning, student. Now today we will start new lesson, that is construction of triangle. So actually we have started that math first, ratio and proportion. For the first semester you have to study up to exercise 4.2, and afterward remaining part for the second semester. So in a math second our two lessons remain, so we'll see now, that is construction of triangle. Okay, now in the construction of triangle, see first here you have to study some new constructions. So very first we'll see the first construction, that is what, see here. To construct a triangle when its base and adjacent angle to the base and the sum of the length of remaining sides is given. This is totally new for you. Means if two sides, sum of two sides, one base and one base angle is given, then how to construct? See this construction first. So this is the base is given. Suppose this is triangle ABC, base BC is given, base angle is given, and then sum of two sides. The sum of two sides means BC is here. Sum of two sides is what? Here AB plus AC. This is given in triangle ABC. Base BC is given, B angle is given, and sum of these two sides is given. So how to construct this triangle? So we will see now like this. First you have to draw base BC. Okay. Then what? This BC. Then take a measure 75 degree. Draw this big ray. And what the distance that AB plus AC is 9 centimeter. Mark on 9 centimeter. There is another point, that is D. Okay, join this D and C. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of this DC, and where that perpendicular bisector intersect this ray, there is the point A. Join this AC. Okay, so afterward you will see this, take the measure of this AB and AC and take that sum, you will get that sum is 9. So actual construction, now we will see one example. See now here one example. Now here in the example, triangle ABC is given, in which BC is 6.2. Okay, then angle ACBC angle is 50. Then sum of AB plus AC is given 9.8. So here we have drawn one rough diagram. Here this is BC. C here we taken. Why? Because C angle is given 50. So this is BC is 50. Draw one ray. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of this ray. One distance is, what is, 9.8 centimeter. Here 9.8 centimeter. Okay, so join this perpendicular bisector of this intersect here, that is the point A. Now actual construction we have to see using the rough diagram. See first, very first you have to draw that base is, what is the length of base? 6.2 centimeter. So here we will draw base first, 6.2, using the scale. Using the scale here we will draw one segment from 1 to 6.2, means 6 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Remove the scale. Give the name here C, and this is B. Okay. So what is the angle? Maybe it is big one. Huh? C angle is 50 degree. Place the protractor like this. See this 0 degree coincide. Mark on 50 degree. Okay. Remove the protractor. Using the scale, we have to draw one ray from the point C. Big ray you have to draw, because on this ray you have to take what distance? The sum of that two sides, that is 9.8 centimeter. So take the scale, take a compass. Okay, so here you have to take 9.8 centimeter. 9.8. See here, exactly 9.8. Okay, from 1 to 9.8. Remove the scale. From the point C, here we have to draw one arc like this, taking 9.8 centimeter. This is 9.8 centimeter. What is the point here? Upside, that is, we assume that is the D. That is not A. We have to find A. So what then afterward you have to do? join the point D and B. Okay, take a scale, join point BD. Okay, so this is the triangle. Now we have to find the point A. So take a compass. Okay, draw perpendicular bisector of this segment BD. Okay, draw one arc this side, another arc here. Okay, don't rub the arc. So here I'm adjusting the camera also, so you can see it properly. See, you have to draw another two arcs, that is intersect first two arc. If not, extend it. Okay, extend it, then draw a line passes through intersecting point of these two arcs. Okay, exactly passes through intersecting point of these two arcs like this. Okay, and where the line intersect to this ray, there is your point A. Okay, so using the scale you have to join this A and B. You just measure the length, this AB, AC, that is your assignment. This BC is given. What is the measurement given? That one you have to write. Okay, C angle is 50 degree. Everything you have to write what is given, and just measure this AC and AB and take addition. That addition should be what? 9.8. Then your construction is correct. Okay, so now we'll see second construction of this one. Now here addition is given. Okay, so if the subtraction is given, then what? See, they're totally new for you. See here, to construct a triangle, well, its base angle adjacent to the base and the difference between the two remaining side. Now before this you have studied addition of this exercise. One example, this third one already I have solved. You have to solve 3. Okay, I will send that photocopy. So we'll see the subtraction of these two. So what is the method for this? So here your angle ABC is given, BC base is given. Okay, angle ABC, then difference of these two sides. Here two types of construction. We know the name of triangle ABC means first side is AB. Serially ABC. Okay, we will take AB, then BC, then AC means this is first side, this is second, this is third. Okay, so here AB means first side minus third side. If this one given, so how to construct this triangle like this? Here you have to draw first base BC. Okay, then 40 degree angle. So what angle, what the difference is given, you have to mark. Addition also we taken on this one. Mark here, join this, draw the perpendicular bisector of this. Where it intersect, there is a A. This is the first construction. Second one we'll see now. So after this we'll see that second construction now. See here, second construction. How to construct this second one? Okay, see here, this diagram. This is the construction. Difference of two sides. Here we drawn a rough diagram. Okay, so that is using the rough diagram. You have to draw fair diagram. Okay, so now first one we'll take a scale. Okay, we'll take a scale and then we have to draw this triangle. What is the base? It is YZ is given 7.4 centimeter. So take a scale. Take a scale. Draw one segment 7.4. 7 and 4 millimeter exactly. Okay, so here this is YZ 7.4. Okay, then what? Y angle is what? Here 45 degree. Place a protractor on Y angle. So start from 0 to 10, 40, then here 45. Which side 0 degree coincide? Here 0, this side also 0. Huh? This 0 come on the line now. So start from this 0. If this 0 come, to start from this 0. Here this 0 inside, so you have to go inside. Okay, here outside, then you have to go outside. Don't be confused. Draw that angle properly. That is very important. Okay, so now here you have to draw one ray. You have no need of this big ray because here difference is given. Okay, if addition is given, then you have to draw one big ray. So now what is the difference xy minus xz. XYZ means first side minus third side. This is the another different construction, and this, if third minus first side is given, method is different. I will explain after this. So this is first minus third side. So here the difference is 2.7 is given. Take a scale, take a compass. 2.7 means 2 centimeter and 7 millimeter from the point Y. Draw one arc. Okay, name this point. What is that? W. X we have to find now. So this is not X, this is the W. This distance is 2.7 centimeter. Okay, so then join this one. Then what you have to draw? Draw a perpendicular bisector of this WZ. So what? Take the more than half distance. Okay, this side one arc, this side one arc. Then from the point W, draw another two arcs which intersect to this. Oh, this is big one then. It goes upside. So you have to extend. You have to extend this ray. Okay, because this perpendicular bisector goes this one now. So you have to extend this one. Very big triangle come then. Okay, so using this scale and this intersecting point of these two arcs, you have to draw one line. This is perpendicular bisector. Okay, it intersect here. We'll rub that rough diagram. Already you know the rough diagram now. We'll rub this, then no confusion is there. We'll rub this rough diagram. You draw it. Every time you have to draw the rough diagram. That is very important. Draw the rough diagram. Okay, so here it intersect. So what point is here? Here is your X. Then using scale, join this XZ. Okay, XZ. So what is here? XY minus XZ. If you taken the measure of this XY and XZ, take that subtraction should be 2.7. This is the first construction. Okay, don't rub the rub diagram because here some little space I rub it. You just draw the rub diagram one side and then downside you have to draw this one. Then there is no mixing. Now here another example we'll take. See here, construct triangle ABC such that BC is 6 centimeter, and here angle ABC in actually in a book they have given here 100 degree, but that is very big. That is not possible to draw on paper, okay, or notebook. So that's why they change this one. That is the printing mistake. Here you have to take 80 degree and AC minus AB. Now see, triangle ABC means AB. This is first BC AC. First side, second side, third side. Now here what is given? AC minus AB. AC minus AB means third side minus first side. So here construction is different. So how to construct? Now in second diagram, here XY minus XZ means first side minus this one. So here we taken this upside arc and then we drawn perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now here third side minus first side. So here the method is different. First you have to draw the base BC is 6 centimeter. So take a scale. Here we will draw downside. So there is a no problem come. So here 6 centimeter I will draw first. Okay, this is what BC. It is 6 centimeter. So then what you have to draw? This B angle is 80 degree. So place the protractor. Which side 0 degree coincide? This right side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, 70, 80. Mark on 80 degree. Remove the protractor from the point B. Here you have to draw one ray passes through this 80 degree mark. Okay, here angle is 80 degree. Okay, and one thing is here you have to do here third side minus first side. So here if first minus third we take an upside, so here you have to what angle you take an 80, draw that ray downside also, this line. Okay, see, draw this ray downside also. Here we drawn 80 degree. Okay, if third side minus first side, then you have to draw downside. Okay, this is the difference between that first construction, means when first minus third, then we draw upside only, but third minus first, then you have to draw downside. Why? Because this 2.5 centimeter distance, here you have to take downside. So from this point B, here first we will take 2.5 centimeter distance using the scale exactly 2.5. See here 2.5. Can you see? Yes. So then from the point B here, put the steel end point here, draw one arc. What distance we have taken here? 2.5 centimeter. Here the point D, this is not A. Then what you have to do here, join this CD. Okay, join this. Then here you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this one. Means what you have to do? Take the more than half distance like this. Okay, one arc this side, another arc downside. Then from point C, this one C, where what I bisect, many of the students they drawn the perpendicular bisector of BC, they don't know intersect this ray. Here you have to bisect this one. So this is okay. Here this pencil end is not properly. Okay, so I will rub this. Okay, from the point C, two ends come. So I will, the pencil end is not proper, so I will remove this. Okay, I will keep this inside. Adjust this both end in the same level. Then tight. Okay. Then what you have to do? Draw the arc intersect to first arc. Okay, so I will rub this total. Here again I will construct this one. Take some distance, more than half. Draw one arc here, one arc downside. Then from the point C, here draw another arc like this to intersect these two arcs. Then take a scale. Okay, and from the point intersecting point of these two arcs, draw a line passes through this intersecting point and also intersect to this ray upside. Okay, see here like this. This is the perpendicular bisector of this, and here it intersect. So there is a point A, and then what you have to do? Join this A and C. See here, A and C, join it. So this is the required triangle ABC. What is here given? AC minus AB, means AC should be greater, then subtraction come plus. So AC should be greater than AB. See in the figure. Here this is AC, this is AB. Take the measure, subtract it. AC minus AB, you will get 2.5. Here what is in first construction? XY minus XZ, positive. So XY should be greater than XZ. See in the construction. XY this is, and XZ this one. Okay. Means by this one also you can find find it. Xy is greater than this one, na? Because subtraction of these two come 2.7. So you have studied 3 constructions. So now study it and construct these 3 type of constructions. So another one last construction is remain. I will explain in afternoon session.